Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How you all doing? It's lovely to have you here once again. My name is Martyn Lucas. I trade live here every morning, every evening on the Day Trader for the opening and closing bell, and bringing you breaking news to help you, support you, share information together. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real money, my real position, coming to you live from my studio. This is the view I've got of you, and everything that we do here is live and upfront and open and transparent. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm actually the world piano man. I perform live concerts every day from my studio. Thousands of people from 20 different platforms every day come and join me live on the show. But this is the money I've saved, and this is what I invest in Robinhood to build my future growth and my future income when I can retire in about 10 years' time. I'm always going to work, but this is how I will pay the bills. I'm not looking to be a millionaire or get rich scheme. Just having a wonderful community, sharing stuff together, making money, and having fun doing it at the same time. Well, today's breaking news, of course, is China, Bitcoin, and Argo Blockchain. So much to talk about in the show. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell if you're watching me on the replay. All the events are posted on my homepage of the YouTube channel. Upcoming events are all listed. You can see exactly when I go live, what's going on, and check it out. So please subscribe and ring the bell. The reason why you want to ring the bell is because there are breaking events that happen spontaneously. I'm in the studio 24/7, and you'll miss it if you don't ring the bell and turn on notifications, okay? I'm bringing it all to you and to share with my community. All right. Once you get here on YouTube, give us a thumbs up and click and give us a thumbs up. That's what I meant to say. The reason for that is it tells YouTube that this is a good video, and it pushes it out to more people. And why we want more people in the chat is because we like to share everything with you. And the more people that come into the live chat, the more I learn. I learn way more than you do. I learn from you. People come on here to learn from me and learn from others, but I learn mainly from you. And I want the best financial people and the best traders in the live chat so I can learn from you. And that's how I've grown my portfolio. This is my portfolio. Here it is, live on the screen. I share my actual bank account, my real money. I don't give you my bank account number, but other than that, you can see how much money I've got. This is my real money, what I'm actually doing. So here he is, special guest today. Pardon my absence, I've had a rough week. Here he is, Sir Kenneth Brunk. Let's bring him up on the screen. Kenneth, you're the first one in the house. Wonderful to have you here. We've had some record-breaking shows. 53 likes, I think, a couple of days ago. We had about 30 likes this morning. We've got all sorts of stuff going on. We're getting about 30 subscribers a day now to the channel. It's just incredible the amount of love and support that we're now getting. So we've got all sorts of upgrades that have come into the studio. I want to share with you as well. So Kenneth, thanks for being part of it. And we missed you, and a lot of the guys were asking about you. I'm glad you're first in, because everyone's going to be happy to see you when they get here. This is a new angle you've not seen. I don't think you've seen this angle before in the studio. Pretty cool, right? This is what I see of you when I'm talking to you. This is what I see of you on the screen. So there you go. New angle to share with you. All right, let's get straight back into it. Great to have Cyclops Ken back on the show. He's had a tough week, and I'm sorry to hear that, mate. But we've all been asking about you during the shows. All right. Okay, so where are we? The breaking news today, of course, China has affected, this is Kathy Wood, everyone's talking about China moves to crack down on Bitcoin trading. What has this done for your Bitcoin? Well, it's made the Bitcoin crash for a while, but is that a bad thing? Not at all. It strengthens it. It gets rid of the weak hands. And have I sold any? Nope. Have I been fearful? Nope. Do I care what China says about anything? Nope. Because it wants to control everything and control everyone's money. And that's not how the world will work in the future. So good luck, China, cracking down on everything. But we are very happy that we've got our Bitcoin, and we're going to continue to carry on with it and mine with it and all the rest of it. How has that affected Argo Blockchain? Look at this one. Kenneth, IPO'd yesterday. Everybody got super excited about it and was telling me that I need to be in it. And they were telling me it's on a discount and 25% discount. And I was telling them what a load of nonsense. You can't have a discount on a stock. It can be worth more. You can assume it's worth more. But at the end of the day, stock is only worth what it's worth right now on the market. That's it. You can turn around and say it's undervalued or overpriced, but you can't say it's on a discount. How can you say it's on a discount? Because what it was, I don't know if you know about this one. This is now the biggest mine, or trying to become the biggest mining business in the world, and it's moved from the UK to America. It's now moving down into Texas as well. It's fully renewable energy, really great, very, very good. But this was my point I made yesterday. People were saying, because it was on the OTC market in the UK, and it was around about $1.60 a share. Now it's 16. What they've done is they've done a reverse split. Kenneth, I'm sure you understand a reverse split. So now it's 10 for 1. That's all they've done. They've done a reverse split. So it's the same price. And everyone's going, it's worth more than this. It was higher than this. It's 25% discount right now. It's going to go back up again. And I said, there's no such thing as a discount at all. It's the price has dropped because the volume is low. No, institutions aren't touching it. And I love Bitcoin mining, but I don't know what you think, Kenneth. Personally, I think Bitcoin mining is great for the business itself. It's good for the business itself. They're going to make lots of money mining Bitcoin. But is it good for an investor? And the first question I want to ask anyone, if this was on Shark Tank, would Mark Cuban or Kevin O'Leary invest in this? The first thing they would say, I guarantee, the first thing they would say to Argo Blockchain, all right, you want $1 million of my money for X percentage of it. What is your ISP? What can you do that no one else can do? Nothing. Nothing at all. What is so unique about Argo Blockchain, a Bitcoin mining company? They mine Bitcoin. If I had $1 billion and I bought a load of graphics cards and a warehouse, I can mine Bitcoin as good as they can. Good for them, but is it good for me as an investor? One, Bitcoin will be fully mined at some point, so that part of the business will be gone. Two, is there anything that they can do that I can't do if I set up a big Bitcoin mining factory? None whatsoever. Nothing whatsoever. Anyone could set up a Bitcoin mining factory. So the market doesn't like it. It popped up because, like Bitcoin, like Dogecoin, and all these other things, people get all excited about it. Think it's going to go to the moon. And so many people on TikTok were telling me, "Oh, it's going to go all the way to the moon. It's going to go to $1 million." All this nonsense, and it went up because people were buying it, but the volume was low, and institutions aren't in with it yet. So now the price has dropped, and I bought a share pre-IPO. I also bought 10 on the day. It popped. I made $5 and sold out. And I've got a pre-order ready to go at $14. Because it's worth a pop at $14 pre-IPO price, lower than pre-IPO price by $1. But this is what I feel about it. What do you say, Kenneth? There's only one case where a stock is actually a discount. That's where there is an offering made to existing shareholders that is less than the price. Yes. Of course, if someone's been given a lower price than the share price is than the price of the stock, of course it is. That's a discount. But when you're just saying it's a discount right now because it's worth more money, it's not a discount at all, right? But what do you think about what I just said? What's its identity? Tesla make cars, and you want to buy a brand. No one buys the brand of Bitcoin. No one cares. No one cares whether Bitcoin who creates it. It doesn't matter. So it doesn't. Does it really matter that Argo Blockchain mine the Bitcoin? No, it doesn't make a diddly squat, does it? Martyn Redding's here. Look, Martyn, I had lots of people this morning in on this blockchain giving me all sorts of grief, telling me it couldn't possibly go down, it had to go up, and look what happened. This is the chart from yesterday. A nice little pop on the IPO, but back here, my personal feeling is if I had $1 million or $1 billion and I wanted to become the biggest Bitcoin mining company in the world, it'd be easy. It doesn't require anything other than money. I mean, there's nothing special about any Bitcoin mining factory. Anyone can buy Bitcoin, just need money, right? People forget that when you buy a share, you are betting that someone at some time later is willing to pay more for it than you bought in at. Exactly. That's all there is to it. Blockchain miners can matter. Blockchain miners can matter in this case, because remember that in China, the state owns everything. Yeah, absolutely. But not this company. This company is in America. Its headquarters is in London, and it's in America. So it's a public company, completely free of everything, and does its thing. But what does it do that another Bitcoin mining factory can't do? Nothing. What makes a Bitcoin mining factory successful is how many machines it has and how fast it can mine, and it wins more coins than someone else. And it's all going into one account. So, if I decide to go out and build a twice as powerful, twice as big mining company as Argo Blockchain, I'll get all the coin. I'll make all the money. Possibly more efficient. Yes, they are more efficient. Absolutely. Their profit will be higher. Absolutely. But, at the end of the day, anyone can do it. It's not a brand. You're not buying a brand of anything. I'm out of here at 3:15, hitting the road on weekend holiday. Martyn, lovely to have you here. Guess who's in the house? No one has noticed. Our very dear friend you've all been asking about, Kenneth Brunk. He's had a week away. Life hasn't been good for him. All sorts of problems. But he's back, live, here in the house. Kenneth Brunk, everybody. If you spend $1 million on electricity and make 1.2 million in mining returns, then your gross is 200,000. Absolutely, this is a very, very efficient. Apparently, it's completely carbon. It's environmentally positive. It puts more back than it uses, so it's fantastic. It's perfect. But what I'm saying is, anyone else can do that with money. It's not, I prefer Tesla over Ford, and no matter how good I am, I prefer Tesla over Ford. If you have more Bitcoin mining machines and you're fully efficient, you can be beaten every time. Just buy more machines. It's, that's all I'm saying. So all I'm saying is it's a company. I would like to own it, but you can't. Is it a good investment for me? As an investor, if I invest in this company, is this company going to make me money as opposed to me putting my money somewhere else? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Been there, Ken. Welcome back. There you go. Good afternoon to all. Right, smash the like button. You guys, we had a record show yesterday, 53 likes. What was it? 38, or was it 48? 38 or 48 subscribers to the show yesterday in one day. It was brilliant. We're really, 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 really growing now. So let's have a look. Amazon, big pick up there in the last few minutes. Great. Lovely to see Amazon returning. Fantastic. Johnson & Johnson now returning. What does everyone feel about... Tesla's had a great day. There we go. Nice. Up very, very good, actually. That's a nice big swing there. And what about Lucid? How's Lucid going? Oh, there we go. Lucid. I'm just $2. I got back into Lucid, by the way. Ken? I'm just down 2%. I bought a few dips. Of course, we had a massive few days. Look at here. Look here. 15% up in a week, and then in fact it was more than that. See here, it was up 26. We had a couple of days of real growth. I did some more research on it. I want to be in it. Just put like a few moments ago. So yeah, people forgot that investing in a blockchain is like in eating a mining company. It only mines a material, and its value is based on the production. The long-term security is not the same. Exactly. If Bitcoin will increase, so the value of the blockchain mining company will increase because it owns Bitcoin. I get it. I totally get that. Anyway, I've got $1,500 here now in my buying power sitting on the side. If you look here, $1,500 ready for Rivian. Carnival's doing well. Argo Blockchain. I don't think I'm. You know, I've got an order set aside. But let's have a look. This is what people made of it. Very quiet today on the show. I've been used to like really big numbers. Let me just check a few things. Yeah, everything's studio's all streaming lovely, but I've been getting used to some really big numbers. But Kenneth comes back and it all drops off. What's all that about? Waste management is a great long term. Yes, we talked about that before, didn't we? Talked about that before, right? Let's have a look at this news. Wood, who has said that Bitcoin will rally to 500,000 as slightly more than 1 billion invested in cryptocurrency trading, Coinbase trading firm Coinbase Global, a position that makes up approximately 1.47% of makes up approximately 4.7% of her 21 million fund. Shares of Coinbase fell more than 1.5% on Friday after Chinese regulators announced a blanket ban on all crypto trading transactions and mining. China's move triggered a sell-off in Bitcoin, taking the value of Wood's largest cryptocurrency down by more than 5% to approximately 42,000. Ark Innovation was down 1.4. Yep, not an issue. Not bothered about it. Is anyone remotely concerned? I'm not. Not in an instant. Not in a moment. Am I bothered about this news? I think it's. I think China have shot themselves in the foot. They want to control everything, and of course they don't like anything innovative like this. So they blocked it, and now they're going to miss out on it. Let them get on with it. Let them get on with it. Who cares? I think Martyn was saying that this morning. See, I'm back. I'm bad. I'm bad luck. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. You're here now. No one's going to come into the show. I don't see that a second. I don't see that for a second. So let's have a look. This is what people think about all of this. Here we go.
Grant fell sharply again today after a key deadline passed with no word on whether the company had made an interest payment on its debt. Evergrande has a 30-day grace period to make that payment before officially going into default. For more, we're joined by Avenue Capital's Mark Lazary. He was one of Evergrande's bondholders. It's good to see you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for having me.
You know, I thought of you with this story just simply because I think of distress. I think of big companies like that, and somebody like you probably owned debt. And it turns out you did.
We did. Yeah. No, so first I want to apologize. I'm at a meeting with Senator Wyden, and I'm at Cowen's offices, so they put me in their studio. So I know there's the Cowen logo behind me. But
yeah, I agree, Kenneth. It's all manipulation and control and stuff like that. So it just, I mean, you can't lose unless you get fearful and sell out. I mean, you know, so just sit on the sidelines and let people run around and create nonsense. It doesn't. The fundamentals of Bitcoin are better every day. Nothing has changed with that.
But this is where I could do it. But happy to talk about Evergrande however you want.
Well, I mean, you can, Senator Wyden, I mean, I don't know, maybe you have some insight on whether the Democrats are going to get anything done or this big infighting and everything else. We could talk about that later, however. I do want to know what your position is right now in Evergrande, if any, and you can give me a little bit of history there.
Sure. Look, I think when we look at Evergrande, we've been looking at this for quite some time. Our view has been that there's about $300 billion of debt, I think the dollar-denominated debt's about 19 billion.
If you're watching me on TikTok, you can't see what we're doing here. Just click the profile link here and you will see the YouTube link and hop on in. And then you can see exactly what we're trading.
So our view has been that the government is, and under Xi, they're trying to send a message, which is they're going to focus really on sort of the people who've put deposits down, the people who've been building. So it's going to be a focus on those debt holders before it even gets the dollar denominator.
Just got a comment from TikTok here. I'm a day trader, but I don't trade Bitcoin. I got some Bitcoin investments, but do I need to take it out? Okay, let me just very quickly talk to you on TikTok, right? I've got thousands of people watching me on different platforms. There are over 20 different platforms right now. Lots and lots of platforms, 20, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, sessions, live stream a cafe, all sorts of things. And the best place is our YouTube channel. That's where you'll see my trading screens. So 90% of our TikTokers come on and they just laugh at me and say I've got a bald head and say very rude stuff, and but 10% of TikTokers are actual traders, sounds like you are, where you actually want to share information with people, learn from other people, discuss the markets, and I share with you my real trades, my real money live on the screen. If you're one of those guys, click the profile link just here and you'll find my YouTube link. It takes you 3 seconds. You'll be in the live chat with some very successful traders. And you will see my screens. The news I'm playing right now from CNBC, you can see that, and you can see it, my actual portfolio as well. So if you're really a trader and you want to be part of it and share with us, and we'll share with you everything, please jump on in, and we'd love to welcome you to the family. All right, let's carry on.
Dominated. So that was one of the reasons why we had gotten out. And I think there's a message that's being sent right now with Evergrande. And so we've ended up shifting, and we've bought a bunch of the other developers in China because their debt has also widened out. And I think today you can make somewhere close to sort of a 15% plus on a current. And we think that.
So there you go. This is the China thing. It's affecting everything. It's amazing how China has such influence on the world. But for me, it's just manipulation. Well played. Yeah, we have. You've missed a lot of action on Kenneth. You've missed a lot of some serious nonsense on TikTok. I mean, we're talking serious. We had something like 4,000 people come through TikTok yesterday, and 90% of it was look at you, you're bold, you're an idiot. I'm having a baby with my sister, and God knows what else. I mean, really awful people. But the wonderful thing about TikTok is TikTok show thousands of people your stream, and 90% talk nonsense, but 10% are actual real people, and they really want to be part of a community, something decent. There we go. Cody Dalton has just come across from TikTok. Hiya, Cody. This is my studio. Welcome. Everyone, say hello. We've got some of my regular teams. Kenneth Brunk does technical analysis. We've got Martyn Redding from the US. I'm from the UK, but based here in Texas. Wonderful to have you. Right, that's the first thing we do before we get into business with anything, is we get to know each other. Please tell us where you're from, what country or city you're from, and everybody else introduce yourself to Cody Dalton. He says he's a trader, just come across from TikTok, and we'd like to welcome you in. If you give us a thumbs up, that really helps us. We are 8 weeks old today, brand new channel, we're growing really quickly. This is my actual portfolio. This is my real money, what I'm actual trading on, my actual savings. And smash the like button. And if you like what we're doing here, subscribe and ring the bell. We go live every morning and every evening. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm actually, I was named World Piano Man. I'm a professional musician, entertainer. But this is my TV studio you're looking at right now. And I trade with my real money. But I learn from you. You learn from me, perhaps. And this is what we do. So if you're interested and you want to be part of the community, welcome. Thanks, man. I'm from South Africa. Wonderful. I've played in Kenya at the Kenyan Royal Hotel. Did a wedding there actually many years ago, and I've toured 195 countries as the world piano man, and it's lovely to have you here. Oh, there we go. He's liked the video. We've got 11 likes now. Wonderful stuff. And this is my portfolio. Oh, we're doing all right now. We're back up to 48, or we was for a second. This is my Bitcoin position. If you want to see my full portfolio, I'll gladly share it with you. And we were discussing Argo blockchain today, dropping off. What was your question, Cody? Over on TikTok. Greetings from Amsterdam. Hello. We got more people now coming over from TikTok. Just very quickly, TikTok is great. It shows thousands of people my stream, but we're trading on YouTube. Click the profile here and you'll find the YouTube link. Come and join us. 90% of TikTokers just come through and have a laugh and poke fun at my bald head. And the other 10% are actually interested in becoming part of a community and a family on YouTube and trading together. That's what we do. We share everything with everyone. So click the profile here, find the YouTube link, and pop in, just like Cody just did. So Cody, what was your question to the team? Please ask again. There we go. Argo blockchain recovering slightly. My QI. I'm not sure what that means, my friend. How we look at this? How we look at the stream? You click the profile link just here, and my YouTube link is right behind it, and you'll see my trading screens. Very easy. It takes you 3 seconds, just like Cody from TikTok just came over now. All right, come and join us. So there we go. Let's look at our eye on Bitcoin now, and Bitcoin has had a bit of a recovery today. Lucid Group, I'm watching it, doing nicely now, picking up just 2.5% down. Illinois, soon to be Wisconsin. There we go. Facebook's having a good day, up 2% today. That's pretty good. It's got a bit of recovery to do. Tesla is doing very well. Very well indeed, actually. If we look at Tesla now, over the last 3 months, it's just really lifting off, and I put some money a check Rolls Royce. I know. Rolls Royce is up every day, 3 or 4% every day. I mean, I'm up 34% now in it. It's just phenomenal. I mean, it's going to 10x. I'm pretty sure about that. You see the new engine that just came out? That's amazing. My question was, I got Bitcoin from my investment. Should I remove it? My question was I got Bitcoin from my investment. Should I remove it, and when? I wouldn't at all. This is my Bitcoin position. Remember, I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just sharing my experiences. I've studied Bitcoin. I think it's great. I think it's the most secure asset of all time. It's going to be around forever. It's being adopted by countries. It's got to go through all sorts of hoops, but it can't be destroyed. It can't be got rid of. This is my actual position. I had $10,000 in it. I sold $1,000 when it reached 10,000. It dropped back from 51 down to where it is today because of all the China FUD. But it's all working its way out. I'm still up 26%. But Martyn said, but Rolls is gas engines. Yeah. I know it is. One day, you wait. They'll make an electric motor for the solar powered planes that are coming. They are coming. Solar powered planes are coming, and I'm sure Rolls Royce will be all over it. But yeah, you're right. They are a gas engine. Anyway. So this is my Bitcoin position. I don't think that there's ever a wrong time to buy Bitcoin because it's going to continue to go up. I believe it'll be 100,000 by the end of the year. So would I get rid of Bitcoin now? No, not at all. And let me tell you a little thing. And if you know this one simple fact, you never sell your Bitcoin. And shall I tell you what that fact is? A few days ago, this happened. Brrr, bang, crash. Just after El Salvador got involved and so on, and of course, first country to adopt it, many people 99% of people just want to get rich without studying, put any effort in, at doing any work, and all the rest of it. And my TikTok friends are asking me, just click the profile link here. The YouTube link is right behind that profile link. 3 seconds, you'll be in YouTube and you can see my trading screens. 90% of TikTokers just come to laugh and poke fun and say silly things. 10% want to trade with us. And if you want to see what's going on, if you're one of that 10% and you're serious, just click the profile link. You come into YouTube and you can see my trading screens. Okay, so what happened is, Cody, the price dropped because people sold off. When the price dropped, they sold off. And we know this because on the blockchain, unlike cash, where you don't know who's got cash if they bury it in their garden, on the blockchain, it tells you who owns all the Bitcoin. And what we saw was 90% of the Bitcoin that was sold off was from wallets created within a week. So new traders came on, didn't know what they were doing, got fearful, like I did when I first came in, and sold off, and then Bitcoin dropped. And then China had a little go as well. They're trying to manipulate the market. Like Kenneth said, they'll buy back in again and be part of it. They're not going to sit on the sidelines and miss out. So there you go. So that's why Bitcoin has dropped. Bitcoin is an asset, and I'm sure it will continue to rise forever. So I wouldn't worry about it. That's why I'm not worried about it. I can't afford to lose this money, and I'm not going to. If you bought Bitcoin as long-term investment, then you should always treat it as a long-term investment. That's absolutely right. No problem. Just remember that with trading, consistency is key. Absolutely right. Spot on. Great to have Kenneth back with his words of wisdom. We love it. Great to see that I'm back over 48,000 again. I like that. Didn't like 47. 48 is still low. I want to be at 52 again, but 48 feels like it's nearly 50. 47 was a bit, don't like it down there. But anyway, we're starting to climb back up again now. Let's have another look at the Bitcoin. Is it starting to pick up again now? There we go. Argo Blockchain will probably follow it. But there we go. The bell's gone. We missed it today. We missed it. And look, we're selling off Argo Blockchain in the after hours. I've got it set for $14. And the more as time goes by, the more I'm thinking of removing that order altogether and not investing in Argo Blockchain. Martin, I long for the days when I'll be able to do that. 90% of my investments are long-term, 10% are specs. Yeah, that's pretty much... I think I'm probably 70% long-term. Crypto is a coin. Bitcoin is... It's going to zero. It's a meme. Well, the first thing, Crypto Value Fighter, you need to do if you want to... This is what we get right on TikTok. It's hilarious. It makes me laugh. If you're going to make statements like that, then please learn to spell, because Bitcoin is going to zero, C-E-R-O, and then C-E-R-O-O-O-O. It's a meme, and a meme. I've never heard Bitcoin described as a meme by anyone who has any knowledge of Bitcoin at all. And I would, GG, it's a joke. Oh, it's a joke. Okay. This is what I say, right? 90% of the TikTokers either talk nonsense or it's a lot of fun. I had a guy on this morning who was saying I'm an idiot, a bald head, I shouldn't be on TikTok or whatever. One guy said, "Don't give this man your money. It's all a scam. It's all a con. You can't give me your money. I don't want anyone's money. How are you supposed to give me money? This is my money, my trading, and we're just sharing it. You're watching what I'm doing." But anyway, if you're actually a serious trader and you want to talk to some serious traders, click on the profile link here, click on the YouTube icon, jump into the live show, see the trading screens, and have a conversation with us. We'd love to hear your points of view, especially the daft ones. I lost about 33% in one of my accounts. It's a small account. This is Kenneth Brunk, because I was stupid and broke my own rules. I did not maintain consistency and I paid for it. Yep, I did that. I've done that. You've seen me do it live on the show. I did that when I got emotional with NRXP, when I got emotional with GSAT, may prove to be great investments, but I let my emotions, when it went up and down, get the better of me. So let's get one thing straight. Even though I'm saying these things, I've made many mistakes, and I hope that each time I make that mistake, I learn from it and try and improve it for the next time. That's what I'm trying to do, and hopefully, I'm learning each time. I'm a beginner. How do I start? Prince Usman. Hello, Prince Usman. Welcome to the show. Lovely to have you here. How it works, how we do everything here on the Day Trader, is we are a family of traders who share everything honestly, openly. This is my real portfolio. So the first thing to do, Prince Usman, is tell us where you're from, make friends with everybody. The more you put in, the more you get out. If you like the channel, give us a thumbs up. Help us grow on YouTube. It's everything we do here is free. We don't want nothing from you other than if you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, ring the bell. There you go. We have breaking news. I'm live every morning, every evening for the opening and closing bell. But what I do, unlike anyone and all the other YouTubers who've got big channels, is I actually trade with my real money right in front of you and share everything with you openly and honestly. I'm not trying to manipulate or control anything. So we appreciate that very much. So where are you from? What country or city are you from? I'm from the UK, based in Texas. And we've got some great traders in here. Prince Usman, I'd love to know where you're from. And what country? Because if you are in America, I've got something for everyone tonight. But where are you from? Paper trading is good, beginner. Yes, it is. Everyone should do that. I didn't do it. South Africa. We've got a lot of people tonight joining us from South Africa. All right, we've also got Cody Dalton from South Africa. I was just saying I played at the Royal Hotel in Kenya for a wedding. Lovely place. I'm from England, but now here in Texas. Lovely to have you here. Bitcoin is now having a bit of a bounce. There we go. Recovering a lot from what we dropped, the big drop overnight. Did you buy more? Did you get in? This is my portfolio. In a nutshell, I have lots of videos on how to get started that you could go and watch on my channel. But in a nutshell, which coin I must invest for now? Well, straight away, Prince, is this. If you are asking someone what you should invest in, then you've not yet done your own research to find out what is right and what is wrong. And it's important that you do. I know we all want to get rich quick and ask somebody what to do, but you should never copy someone else. Even if you followed me like for like, you wouldn't necessarily grow your portfolio like I have here. Not necessarily, because you've got different goals, different personality, different fears, and you would react differently to even the same things that I'm reacting to. So, for me, there is only 2 coins. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor at all, but this is my success that I've had. There are only 2 that I would invest in. I would invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything else is a bit of a joke. It was intended as a joke. Dogecoin was intended as a joke. Binky bonk, dinky donk, God knows what else. Those are get-rich schemes, and some people get rich, they do, and some people lose a lot of money. Remember, with the stock market or crypto, everyone who gets rich is because someone else got poor. That's how it works. So you don't want to be one of the uneducated who trade on a hype or a meme or a tweet. You want to trade and invest on Dogecoin will overtake Bitcoin. Not a chance. It will for a while, because there's lots of people who want to get rich quick and don't care how they do it, and that's fine. I wouldn't invest in Dogecoin in an instant. Remember, Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, pretty much. He likes playing games with people. He loves it. He finds it entertaining. He plays. He writes on his Twitter account jokes about Bitcoin and Dogecoin to play with people. Remember, Don't be played. Make your own decision. Do you really think a government, a country, institutions really are going to invest in a coin with a picture of a dog on the front for a joke? Not a chance. Not a chance in hell. All right? But there are millions of people who will, so the price will go up and lots of people will make money. But at some point, it'll all come crashing down. Whereas if you invest in something that is secure and stable and, my portfolio, this is my real money. I could leave this for 6 months and go to sleep and this will still be up 10%. No matter what happens. It's a well-balanced portfolio. These are all my stocks and shares. These are all the things I invest in. Bitcoin is my cryptocurrency at the bottom. 17% of my portfolios is crypto, is Bitcoin. These are all my stocks and shares. If you want the full list, just ask me and I'll post it for you on my Twitter account. Money isn't real, buddy. Money isn't real. Of course it's real. It's real because it makes real decisions and it affects real people, and everyone needs it. It might be all nonsense in the air, but it all comes down to a real principle of what it represents. So Argo is a business. Chances of it becoming 70 a share are slim unless it increases. Exactly. Bitcoin will fall once AMC squeezes. Bitcoin has got nothing to do with the meme stock AMC because everyone's trending on Reddit. You don't understand. Bitcoin is an asset owned by institutions and countries and hedge funders and myself. It's got nothing to do with an AMC trend. That's all you ever. Argo to $70. Argo to $70 only if you tweet about it and try to manipulate it, and then it'll all come crashing down. And let me tell you why. Argo Blockchain could not possibly do 70, and I'll tell you why. First of all, Argo is a crypto mining company. It does nothing unique that anyone else can't do. Anyone else can mine Bitcoin. If Mark Cuban or Elon Musk decided tomorrow to make the biggest mining company in the world, they could. There's nothing proprietary about Argo Blockchain. It's not like Tesla, a brand, or Apple, a brand. It just mines Bitcoin. Anyone can mine Bitcoin, which means anyone can do it better. And if they buy more machines, they'll mine the coin faster and they'll make the money. Simple. Simple as that. And Bitcoin mining is coming to an end. Their core business will be finished at some point. It's a great business for them. They went public to make money for them to be able to buy more machines to compete and get ahead of the game. For them, is it a good investment for you? If Argo Blockchain was presented to the Shark Tank, would they invest in it? They'd say it's a good business for you, but do I get a return on my investment? The answer is no. And the proof is, look at it on the screen right now. There's no volume. The only people that are buying it are the people that like crypto, but like I do, but don't understand the core nature of the business. So it spiked up and now it's fallen over. There it is. Money is used in exchange factor. There were no money. Someone would invent it. Absolutely, of course they would. Without money, you are nothing, buddy. Absolutely. Please continue the all caps. Money keep Jimmy Dallarenta. He disappeared now. Money isn't real. It's what people want. Argo is right. Oh dear. Bitcoin will fall once AMC squeak. Yeah, this is exactly the sort of thing that that you get on Dogecoin and Dinky Donk and Binky Bonk and all the rest of it. It's whatever. But hey, we appreciate you coming, Prince Usman. How do you feel about what I just said there, Prince Usman? Does that all make sense? Do you agree? Disagree? Please, if you disagree, say so, and I'd love to discuss it with you. All right, but I'm looking to invest in Argo because I would like my own Bitcoin farm. I get it. I like it. Brilliant. But is it a good investment at this price? No. No, it's not. No, it's not. Someone said to me yesterday, it's on a discount right now. No stock can be on a discount. It's only on discount if you're able to buy it for less than the current price. Well, you can't, can you? Unless you have an inside job. You can't. It's worth what it's worth right now to the market and what everybody is prepared to pay for it. So telling me that Argo Blockchain is on a discount is ridiculous. My friend in China, her parent lost 156 million today when China cancelled Bitcoin. She lost 10 million. Her father almost jumped off the roof deck. There's the reality of what's happened in China today. But I don't understand, Bill, because they may make it illegal, but they can't control Bitcoin. The money hasn't gone away. The Bitcoin hasn't gone away. If it's on their wallet, it's on their wallet. You can say it's illegal, but the whole point of Bitcoin is it can be moved around the world and be anywhere. No one can control it. They can say it's illegal, but what can they really do? The Bitcoin is secure on their wallet. It ain't going anywhere. So they've not lost any money. The value's gone down. That's okay. That doesn't matter. The value will come back up again. How much did you lose, or did you lose anything? How much did I lose? Nothing. Peter MC is asking me, is it okay to ask? Yes, you can ask anything and I will share with you my money that's in my bank account and everything. And if you are a serious trader and you really want to know, because 90% of TikTokers just want to come and talk nonsense, but if you're a real trader and you really want to ask me, and I'll show you, you click the profile link here, and right behind there is the YouTube link. Come and join me. I'm live with some proper traders, real money folks, and we're sharing everything on the screen live for you on my YouTube channel. My dream is to become an investor. Well, that's what I do. I'll happily share with you right now. I want nothing from you. I don't want any money from you. I just want to give to you and share with you my experience because I love building a community on YouTube. We're a family. We help each other. So if you want to be real and part of that, click the profile, find the YouTube link, and come and join us. And Parry as well. All of you, if you want to be part of it, just I'm getting lots of likes on the screen. Thank you very much, guys. It's very, very kind of you. Really appreciate it. It was done somehow. They may have third-party influence partners. I will try to get the story when she gets up tonight. Yeah, please do. Hate the fact if someone's lost money, because there's no need. There's no need for anyone to lose money on Bitcoin. Not at all. Bitcoin is only going one way. It'll go up and down on the journey, but that's part of it. How would you make 10,000 into 1 million within a year? Have you done that? Stephen... What do you think of AMC right now? I see a decent opportunity. AMC, no, I wouldn't touch it with the barge pole. It's a get-rich-quick scheme where one person wins, someone else's lose, and it's a casino. I don't gamble with money. I don't mess about with money. Money is serious. It's what's going to pay my bills in the future. And no, not for me. But if anyone here on TikTok is serious, remember what I said. 90% of my YouTubers just come in for a laugh and mess about and say silly things. But if you want to talk to our traders and myself properly, come over to YouTube. The link is in the profile here. And I'm sharing my trading screens with you right now. And you can see exactly what we're trading on. The state may have made it illegal so that they could confiscate it for themselves. Daniel, is your portfolio ready? Is your portfolio ready for Tapper? What does that mean? Is your portfolio ready for Tapper? Okay, how about 10,000 to 100,000? My portfolio will be 100,000 probably by the end of this year. It's at 48,000 now. It'll be at 200,000 by the end of next year. I don't doubt that for a minute. So if you're over there on TikTok and you want to see it, I'm actually sharing with you my actual bank account on the screen right now. You can actually see it. If you click the profile here, come into YouTube, you will see it. All right, the link's right there. Okay. About Poor, thank you for all the roses. Every night, About Poor on my TikTok channel supports me by giving me some roses. It's very, very kind. Very, very kind indeed. What do you mean, Daniel Diaz? Everyone, smash the like button. We're at 14. Very quiet show tonight. We had 53 likes yesterday. We had a record-breaking show. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell if you're watching on the replay. We've only got 10 minutes to go. And then we've got a big, big, big night lined up. A big, big night. Who wants a gift from me? Something really special tonight. Tapper is the state of the stock market. Is about to enter Fed meeting explained. Is the state of the stock market is about to enter. Oh, I see. Fed meeting explained. Sorry, I'm not familiar with that. I'm not up with that right now. My portfolio, I'm very happy with it. I'm not moving anything around. Not at all. I expect it to be up considerably by the end of the year. And if things drop, I just buy the dips. I've got money on the side. Always have. Now I'm trying to get to $6,000 on the side. What happened with Bitcoin? We've just been discussing it. If you want to come and join us on YouTube, we'll share it with you. Click the profile link just here. So there we go. Let's go back to the stocks and see the markets now. That's good. Nice. Amazon is up today now. Nice. And trading sideways after hours. Nice recovery. Tesla is now moving up as well. There we go. Very, very nice. Tesla's had a great day by the looks of things. I've got a link here being shared from Bill. Let me open it up. Open this link. What have you got for me, mate? Okay, here we go. Bill has sent us a wonderful bit of news about Tapper for Daniel. So I'm going to bring that into the show. Thank you very much, Bill, for everything you do. Bill sends me lots of information, lots of emails, and I do read them. I don't always have a chance to reply to them, obviously, but I do appreciate everything you send me. Okay, let's have a look. I'm going to share this now that Bill just sent me. Here we go. US stocks, Wall Street set for strong open as Tapper fears fade. There we go. Good. September 23rd, Wall Street was set to rise on Thursday after investors largely brushed off concerns over the Federal Reserve's plans for tapering, while forecast raises for Accenture and Salesforce added to the positive mood. The Fed said on Wednesday it could begin reducing its monthly bond purchases by as soon as November, and that interest rates could rise quicker than expected by next year. The central bank also projected inflation at 4.2% by the end of the year, more than twice its target rate of 2%. Accenture and Salesforce.com boosted their first quarter and full year earnings forecast respectively as the IT services providers benefited from more companies maintaining work from home models. UK stocks, Wall Street set for strong open as taper fears fade. Great. Thank you very much, Bill, for sharing that. Yes, my portfolio is very much ready for all of that, because at the end of the day, I'm always bullish, because even if things drop, it's irrelevant. I just buy dips. I've invested in things I believe in, and it's as simple as that. I'm your day trader researcher. Yes, you are, Bill. I wish that YouTube gave me levels of super fans, like moderators. If you could have rise up the ranks as you become more useful and more helpful to the channel, I'd love that. It'd be a brilliant idea. They should do it, right? Dr. Nathan Smith is here. Wonderful to have you here. Bond asset covered. Buying from the Federal Reserve will slow down. Yes, I believe so. Bonds are a waste of time. Does anybody believe in bonds anymore? US stocks, Wall Street set for strong open. There we go. Hello all. The timing of the taper isn't strange. It coincides with the boom that happened at the end of the year to pad any drops that occur. Wonderful stuff. Right, we got a bit of an army over on YouTube. What's everybody saying? Oh, so you're a musician. What are your top 3 alts? Yes, Stephen, I'm actually the world piano man. And if you're a musician and you want to see my studio, come on into YouTube right now. Click the link here, and you'll actually see my actual studio. And come on in right now, and I will share with you my trading screen and all the friends that are talking to me live now in YouTube. This is the studio. This is what I see of you. This is the back view. You can't see that on TikTok. Just click the profile link here. Should I hold stocks and not just Bitcoin? If so, what split? If you want to know that, the best thing to do is come into YouTube. I'm sharing the screens with you. You can't see nothing on TikTok. 90% of my TikTokers just come in to rant and rave and say I'm an idiot and I've got a bald head. But serious traders click the profile link and come into YouTube because they want to see the trading screens. Sky is back. Did you end up by buying any Argo today? I presume that's what you mean. No, I didn't, Sky. I didn't, and you should know why. Look at it. It's bloody awful. That's why. Bonds are a good way to defer taxes. Yeah, but there are... I don't care about taxes. My accountant always said to me, I would love $1 million tax bill. It means I've made $4 million. I'm more concerned with earning money and making money than how much tax I pay. That's the honest truth. I really don't care. I'm quite happy to pay my share of tax. Let's get a score today. We've got Clust in the house. We've got a lot of my regulars. There we go. Yeah, the Argo Blockchain. What do you think, Sky? Sky joined me this morning for the very first time. Sky, can I introduce you to my regular team? They're all here tonight. Kenneth Brunk, technical analysis. Clust is here. Bill from Canada, a war veteran. Great chap. Dr. Nathan Smith, he's famous on the internet. He's a famous doctor. We love him to bits. We've got Daniel Diaz. We've got also John Brunette from Canada. We've got Martyn Reddin, Prince from South Africa. We've got Jimmy De Laurenta from TikTok who talks nonsense. He's a bit of fun. We love him. He's entertaining. So anyway, there we go. No, Argo Blockchain is still going down. So it's weak on volume. Its initial pop is over. Remind us, Sky, where you're from. We've only got 2 minutes. I've got to end the show in 2 minutes because we've got a big night tonight on the after show party. If you remember, we gave out 100 Zoom links for a live viral video. And we're recording it with everyone on the screen. It's going to be so much fun, guys. We're doing We Are the Champions at the end of the show. And if you've got that Zoom link now, if you've registered to be in on the show, I'm going to sing We Are the Champions. And behind me, everyone on the screen is going to be dancing around me. We've created some really cool technology where you call in on a Zoom call and yet you'll be all dancing around me, a whole team of people. And it's going to be a really, really great night. Then we're going to make that video and we're going to share it with everyone. And everyone's going to have their own video to keep. That's my view of you guys, looking at you there right now. And Bill, did you get your link? Bill, did you get your Zoom link? It's in the chat on YouTube. I replied to you. Sky, if you join me tonight on the show, I'll do you a Scottish song. I'll do you 500 Miles from the Proclaimers, and I'll also do Skyfall, which is of course James Bond's home, which was in Scotland, and I will do that for you. Yes, I replied to you, Bill, so you'll miss that if you didn't check it. Right. We've got actually 6 Zoom links left if anybody wants to attend the event tonight and be in it. If you would, just tell me right now and I'll give you the last few links. It's going to be very exciting. Going to create a video with everyone dancing around me on the screen. Really, really cool, right? So let's get the scores. Let's see who won today. I'm down 1%. I'm down 1%, 1.1. Kenneth is down 2. Clust, what did he say? I'm up. Clust could be the winner today. Anybody else? Dr. Smith, Daniel, look on your main portfolio, guys, and give me that figure there, the day figure. I'm down 1.12, as you can see. It looks like Clust could be the winner. Does anybody have a better score than that? He's up 0.82. Down, Dr. Nathan Smith. Crypto Zoom call. I'm up for a link. There we go. Canabruski. Where are you from? We got a new member to the party tonight. Canabruski is new to the show tonight. Well, let us know where you're from, Canabruski, before I give you out these tickets. I think you're new to the show, right? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell. It looks like Clust is our winner. Clust, congratulations, my friend. You are the winner tonight. Very, very well done. Let's give him the air horn. There you go. There you go. Congratulations, Clust. Thank you very much for sharing that with us. Oh my God, XD, I don't know what to say. I want to thank the entire channel. This wouldn't be possible without all of you. He's given a flipping. You know what he's doing? He's given an Oscar speech. He's giving an Oscar speech. That's what he's doing. You have just beaten every other trader in the channel today. We need to be giving out a really good prize for that, like a cash prize or something like that. You have just beaten every trader here today. Absolutely great. Congratulations to you. But I will say though, guys, don't count me out. Mine's rising very quickly right now. As you can see, the actual balance. Look, there's my actual balance going up as we watch it. So, you know, give me another 5 minutes, I might win. From South Carolina, well, welcome. Okay, we've got to end the show now. We've got to end the show. I'm live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Subscribe and ring the bell if you're watching on a replay. Here's the thumbs up. Now, you wanted that ticket. So, Canabruski, let me show you what we're doing. All right, let me show you the back of the studio. In 27 minutes from now, live, I'm going to be doing my day job. I was voted as the world piano man, and I do live concerts every night. And we have people from all over the world, over 20 platforms tune in for my live concerts. This is the studio. If I turn around and show you, all right. And tonight, live in the show, at the end of the show, we are doing, We Are the Champions, and everybody is going to be in on the video. We're making a viral video. So, you have got 27 minutes to get involved. This is how you get involved. The Zoom link is now open. Half an hour before the show, the Zoom link is now open, okay? You can get in. And I will bring you in on the screen dancing around me with We Are the Champions. Edit the video and save it with your name in it, and then you have a video of you dancing behind me with We Are the Champions. And we've got 100 tickets. We've got about 3 or 4 left, I think. So this is how you get your ticket if you want it. It's completely free, okay? You are on the Day Trader right now. This is where you are. Scroll down to the Martyn Lucas channel. Here it is, the main music channel. There it is. Click on it. All right, click on it right there. Go below and you will see upcoming live streams. Here is the show. It starts in just 25 minutes. All right, comment below any video on my channel. It doesn't matter. I will reply to you in the next few minutes. I will then give you the passcode and the identification. You use that. You want one device to be on YouTube, one device to be on Zoom, and then you will be behind me on the screen as I perform the song. All right, and then you will be in. It's going to be very, very exciting. We've got people from all over the world joining in. So if you want that, you've got literally 20 minutes to go below and comment on any video on my YouTube channel, The Martyn Lucas Show, and I will then send you the link. All right, guys, I've got to go. It's been a great day. It's lovely to have met our new friends tonight. We've got many new friends. I'm still not in Argo Blockchain. I'm glad I didn't invest. I told everybody about it. I hate when people get wrecked. I hate when people borrow money to invest. A lot of people in the show this morning were borrowing money and losing money. There we go. We're getting the haze machine going now, getting ready for the show. As you can see, we're just a few minutes away, so we're pumping up the haze now. It's going to be a rock and roll show, right? Yeah, a lot of people got wrecked this morning borrowing money. I hate to see that. But anyway, guys, I've got to go. Thank you very much indeed. I hope you'll join us in a few minutes for the drive home show. But between now and then, take care of yourselves. And I'll see you back in the morning for the opening bell when we'll pick up where we left off. And take care of yourselves. Oh, tomorrow's Saturday. I do apologise. I've just been told I'm not here tomorrow. Of course, it's Saturday. I'm only here Monday to Friday. What am I talking about? You can't find it, Bill. I emailed it. It's a reply to your comment. The comment you gave me, I replied to it. So I don't know why you can't find it. It's there. All right, Bill. I've got to go. Hang on a minute. Yeah, there's nothing else I can do. It's in the comment. I'll try and get it to you again. All right. Purple haze. Take care, everybody, and see you later. Bye-bye for now.